I'm outside in an AMG, right outside.
What's up guys, it's Dini and welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be a haul video, but it's going to be a little different than my other haul videos because usually I'm like sitting down and I'm showing all this stuff. But we did go to IKEA yesterday and I wanted to do a haul for y'all anyway. But my baby had a temper tantrum while we were in IKEA, so we kind of like jetted and left out early, so we didn't really get everything that we needed, I guess, or wanted. But I'm gonna show y'all what we did end up getting, and yes, let's just get straight into it. So we got these little popsicle thingies. What are these called? Popsicle holders thingies, whatever. But Jalen is gonna like take his smoothie mixture and make like fruit bar poppy thingies. I think I did in my Target haul. We had bought some like fruit bars from Target that were really good, so he wanted to try to like make his own smoothie. So we got that. We got these little like scrubby brushes for like your dishes and your sink, and they have like a little suction, so they suction down. We got this little deep frying basket, y'all. I thought it was just so cute, and like it says like this is like the perfect serving of whatever. So this is kind of like how the little basket looks at Chili's, if you ever been. So we got this. It's kind of cool. And then we got these little bags from IKEA. It's like a fruit bag, and you just hang your fruit in it and supposed to like keep it fresher. We don't have like one of those little hangy fruit thingies, so I thought this was cool. Jalen like has like a lot of bananas and stuff, so yeah, I think this is pretty cool for that. And then we got two of these big bowls from IKEA. I don't know why I told you IKEA. I know I'm doing IKEA. Anyway, but then I got this like storage bin. Also, we have like 5 of these already in our pantry that we use for organization, but I needed another one for the baby's snacks and food now since he is in that stage. So yeah, that's pretty much what we got from IKEA. Like I said, this haul is very small. It's just impromptu type. I just wanted to show y'all what we got real quick because we couldn't go through the whole store because my baby was not having it. But hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you want me to like do a more like detailed video of all the things that I got in my house from IKEA, because mostly everything that we have in here is from IKEA, like a lot of our bowls, plates, storage bins, and IKEA is really an inexpensive store in my opinion. We don't spend a ton of money on like things like storage bins, all that good stuff. So yeah, hopefully you guys liked this little haul video, and stay tuned because I have some more hauls coming for you guys and some other videos coming. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone